Hi, I am Ramesh Babu. Thank you for watching my videos. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to paint the tiger face in watercolor. You can download this image for free. The link is added in the description. You need to register. Please sign up and log in to your member area like this, where you can browse all the features in this section. Once logged in, you can download your free image. Here is the image in high resolution. Feel free to use this for your practice and personal use only. There is an option to share this page with your social media platform. Here is another image available for sale in high resolution. You can use this image for commercial purpose. It is a simple checkout process. Right now PayPal payment gateway is available. I also launched forms on this site where you can learn and ask your doubts. Since it is new, there is no information at all, but I will give my feedback if you post your work. Please register and start to share your artwork. Also check my blog. I will add some new tutorial post on my blog. Please feel free to browse my entire website and let me know your feedback. Let's start this painting. Leave the white area. Paint the mid-tone area first, and for easy understanding I shaded the black fur, so leave the black fur also. Only apply the color where it is necessary. It is the first coat, so adding details only a flat color. I am using yellow ochre shade. Now mix burnt sienna with black and paint like this. Don't use too much black, it will create your painting dirty, so please be careful. Your painting brush strokes should be gentle and forget about the details. Just focus on applying the color. Now let's add some dark color when it is still wet. Use your brush stroke to paint in the fur. I mean stroke by stroke. It is very important part of this painting. It will create the fur effect. Mix burns in a yellow and orange and apply to the midtones like this, and also leave the black fur. Paint direct black on the fur when it is dry. To create the shape, mix burnt sienna and black and paint depth like this. When painting near to the eye, be careful. If one brushstroke goes wrong, the whole painting will be damaged, particularly in this watercolor medium. For adding depth, mix vermilion hue and burnt sienna and paint like this. I did a mistake. There is no paper white space is left, so I am wiping the color with a wet brush. Now I carefully added the black spot and leaving the highlights in the eyeball without adding the white. Paint depth tones to the eyes by mixing orange and burnt sienna like this. Add a direct black shade for the final result. Don't paint the entire black in the black areas. I am leaving some area for creating the depth tone. Mix orange and a little bit of burnt sienna to create the depth in ears and the surrounding facial areas. Paint a light coat of crimson color first in the nose, then mix burnt umber and vermilion hue to paint the depth in the nose like this. Only add the outer fur when you think the painting is finished, and add dark tones where it is necessary. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you.